everyone, I am Rohit of 5th standard. First of all, I would like to thank Axel Academy for giving me this wonderful opportunity to present my coding project. Axel Academy conducts one-to-one coding classes which I found very useful. So, now get to this project. So, the project is a simulation of our daily using electronic device. Guess what? It's a mobile phone. So, this is the project. Now, let me run the program from the first.
Hello, I'm your Scratch assistant. Click on me for more info and type info.
Okay, so first let's read the info. I am typing info. Hello, this is your phone. I forgot to tell you that your YouTube app is currently unavailable and your phone doesn't have SIM card, but you can still call to 911 and never worry about the battery. This is version 1 of this phone, soon we will update it. Thank you for being patient. Okay, so that is the note it would tell, and first change the backdrop. We can change backdrop. For me, its default backdrop is okay, so I am keeping it. And we can change the volume too. And now, music. So let's listen some music. It will play a random music, and we can of course change the volume. Pause, replay, stop. In Unicorn Rush, just a game. Let's play that. So the score keeps on updating as well as the time keeps on decreasing. So that's it, the game. And okay, home and clock. It shows the current date and time, and calculator. So I will explain this note later. First, 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. And 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. Okay, and 12 into 1 is equal to 12. All correct. And 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12. It's correct. And so let's see the note. It says you can only do 2 numbers problem. Otherwise, calculator's mind will explode and you will get the wrong answer. Yes, so let me do that. 2 into 2 into 2. So, which says 4. It's the wrong answer. The answer is 6. So, if we give 12 into 12, it will give the correct answer. If we give 12 into 12 into 12, it wouldn't give the correct answer. So that's it. And okay, phone. As it told in the notes here, you have no SIM card, but you can still call to emergency. Okay, call.
Hello, 911 here. Any emergency? Don't spam call to 911 or you'll be in great danger.
So really I didn't call 911, but this is just a code. And YouTube is currently unavailable, like assistant said. And of course you can paint. I will click this. Oh, and okay, we can make pattern like this. And clear, change color, use arrow keys. Okay, I'm moving with the arrow keys. And clear and home. So, and then camera. Hello. So that's it. It's the simulation I have worked on, and this is the battery that never drained. And of course we can off the phone by clicking on this. Yeah, the phone is in a mouse. Tap to wake your phone. Yeah, good. So that's it. It's the simulation. Thank you.